I am the young master from the rich family. This guy is my butler. Young master, your beverage. I hate him. Ah! It spilled on me! I will wipe it off now. Go away! Don't touch me! I am the butler of the rich family. This is my master. Don't touch me! He hates me. Then how can I wipe off the stain? I don't care, just don't touch me! So self-willed. Can't use hands, then should I lick it off with my mouth? Lick? Ah! You pervert! I'm gonna fire you! However, I don't hate him. I'm tired. I can't move anymore. Then I'll carry you. Young master, it's already late. You should go back to your room to sleep. I'm tired. I can't move. Is that so? Then I'll carry you. Idiot, 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 idiot! Don't think I'll forgive you just for this. What are you doing? Carrying you, of course. But to take you to a bath. I don't want a bath! Ah! This is the weak are meat, the strong do eat world. The weak who is being targeted will only be captured. I don't want a bath! Ah! Let me go! Hurry up and save me!
Well, since Master doesn't like it, then...
Huh?
Take care!
Who's the master, actually? Bathroom. Don't take off my clothes! I don't want to take a bath! Like this, you can't shake me off now. No more bathing. Ugh, at first, I prepared toys for you to play in the bath. I'm too old to play with toys. You treat me as a tool?
Young Master, we can't hear you from the outside. Are you okay?
Bubbles!
Pardon me.
It's not like that! Ah! After a bath. Water entered my ears. Should I pick them for you? Not you! You there, come pick my ears.
Yes, Master. Young Master, I'll do it now. Master's ear is so soft. Feels so good.
Deadly aura.
I have other work to do.
You haven't finished picking! The other ear, let me pick it for you, young master. They've been like this for half an hour. Are they okay? See ya! Bye! Use one umbrella for what? So annoying. Are they all idiots? Young master, I came to pick you up. You come pick me with one umbrella? Can't be helped. I'll endure staying with you then. Huh? Huh? Oh! Whoa, watch it! Are you nuts? Wanna die? Young master, please proceed. Nah, not in the mood. What?